All right, YouTube, we're out here today in Jacksonville. We're back at the fire department. We're gonna be ripping up this old carpet here. We also got an office and bunk room we're gonna be doing today. Hardest part's probably just gonna be ripping up the carpet. Just tedious with the glue. We're gonna be running the new Lavina 30-inch on this today. Let us know what you think about it in the comments.
These people working hard here. All right, guys, here's what we got. Got all these carpet squares up. Some of them were stuck down really good, so we had to use the hammer drill with the spatula attachment, but definitely a lot of adhesive. We're just gonna start out running some medium traps. See how it does with the Lavina 30. If needed, we'll swap to some crushed PCDs and get it knocked out from there. So just getting everything hooked up, and soon enough we'll have a nice, smooth, grinded floor. So I'm gonna get off here and hop on the 7-inch edge grinder, get this knocked out. Alrighty, got this area grinded and prepped. Just finished vacuuming, so definitely looks a lot better. Profiled nice. Most of the glue came up with ease with the Lavina 30. Even on the edges, the 7-inch grinder shredded it pretty good. So got this all ready to go. Out here, there was definitely a little bit thicker coating for the carpet that was down, but nothing too bad. So we're gonna try and make a nice transition here onto the current epoxy floor that they have out here in the bay. So show you that when we're all done.
Hey, you do me a favor? Yeah, there's some weird dust in here.
Alrighty, we got all the flake out. We're just waiting on it to dry. So we got this little hallway here, all the way out to here, and out into here. So it's getting there. It's pretty close. Then we have a office and bunk room over there, same thing. Waiting on that to dry, get the flake up, scrape it, and be all done. So getting most things loaded back up in the trailer, make it easy for when we're done, then we can just throw a few things in here and be done for the day. So not much more left.
There's a little hole, you can clean that up with your paintbrush.
Your paintbrush, Bo, you're the expert. We got the expert right here today.
Right there on the edge.
No, Chief 195.
Chief 195, he's working on a new gift for us.
Oh, I see it.
Got yeah, it's tight quarters here. How many square foot's these two rooms?
260.
About 260 square feet. We used about 3 gallons of poly, and it's gonna be a nice coating. Got that nice smooth back roll right there, looking beautiful. We just have one more area to do. 550 square feet. All right, I don't think everybody realizes how big this trailer is. Tell them how big you are, Brandon.
It's a big trailer. I'm 6'4", 225, gay. Lots of room.